Hello, if you have found this video, there is a special message from the angels just for you. And let's dive in and find what's in store for you in the next couple of days. So stay tuned till the end of the video because there is a lot to be revealed from this single video. So what I see is that you're someone who is working extremely hard, you're workaholic, you're working towards your goal. At some point, you're taking too much load than you can possibly bear. You could probably think about delegating your work, your responsibilities to other person, and now is the time to prioritize your health, your well-being. You have been working extremely hard. You are at some point you yourself know deep down that you're exhausted. You need to take rest, you need to take a bit of break. So just chill, delegate people, don't be too much a workaholic. See if you can probably figure out how to do your work in a more efficient way without overburdening and overstressing yourself. If you really need help from someone, could be from your management, your team lead, anyone, just ask for your help. Unless you go and approach them and you tell that this can be delegated to others, that you are over exhausting your own energy and your well-being is getting compromised, they are going to understand. But you also need to speak up. You just have to speak up to your management, to whoever concerned, and you have to focus on your well-being. Okay, I do see that you might be having some kind of back issue, or shoulder issue. Could be even your legs may be hurting, or there could be some kind of pain or restraint. So you need to take part care of the back portion of your body. This is where a lot of your emotions or a lot of your anxieties have been stored. Even I see like your solar plexus might be oversaturated, and you might be experiencing strong frustration within your own self. You might be feeling, could be even victimization to some extent. So now is a time for you. Don't quarrel with any people, don't go into any kind of disagreement is a no time at all. Bring people in a round table and find a solution. If you're not going to bring people and find a path by which everyone can come and converge into one point or one point of discussions, nobody is going to pay attention to what you're going to say. So it's a time to bring people and bring harmony. Find a negotiation ground where you can all indulge into meaningful conversation and find a win-win situation. This is a time to find something that can solve everyone's problem to certain extent. It may not be everyone's problem to the fullest level, but yeah, you have to sometime hear to people and understand what best can be offered at a particular situation without engaging any kind of hostility or anxiety within yourself or within the group. So that's what you have to prioritize. Also with this, you're going to get support from some person in authority. So that person could be a feminine energy who is going to support you, who is going to lead maybe this progress, where a group of people along with you are going to come and find a negotiable ground. So the help and support is going to come up probably from your management team, could be from your boss, or as I mentioned, from a person of authority. So they are going to give you the way out or the way forward. Okay, and with this, what does it comes? You have to, there is going to be a celebration time. You might have to collaborate and work with a group of people. And if end is all well, then everything goes well, right? So there'll be happy moments, there'll be a celebration time when more people come together and they start working together in a cohesive way. So that will be success. Whatever you're doing, whatever you have planned, that is going to be successful, and you're going to be celebrating with each other at the end of the day. So collaboration, teamwork is also something, as I said, is important, is most crucial at this time. Don't judge people of what they can do right now, because could be there is a hostile environment and you are not able to see properly what people are going through within themselves. So there could be some kind of animosity, but as you start taking a collaborative approach, people are going to see the good intention within you, and they're also going to start working with you as a team. And yes, I do see that there is some kind of, some kind of help or support you're getting to get from someone who relates from your old, could be someone in their old age, or could be your childhood friend, someone who is who has a soft heartedness, a tender heartedness, someone whom you already know. So probably they are going to come up and they're going to give you some wisdom, some higher wisdom, some guidelines by which you can make your life more successful, more meaningful, and you're really going to enjoy the conversation, the lightheartedness, this natural friendliness when you meet that person. So that is going to be at the end of the day, a very fruitful, fruitful, delightful pie cake on the entire week for you. So yes, meet out and reach out to people who you think have the highest and the best intention about you, and just have a conversation with them. Even if you are going through a lot of issues in your own life, you can speak with them, and they are going to give you some advice, some wisdom by which you can improve your life. So that help is going to come up, and you are, at the end of the day, you're going to receive a lot of peace, a lot of emotional peace and fulfillment in your life. So the angels are with you, and they're going to shower you with peace, love, and lightheartedness. So this is what reading which I get from the spiritual realm. I hope you found it helpful. For more, you can like and subscribe now. Thanks for joining. Bye bye.